What's going on, guys? Welcome to week 9 of the Go One More marathon prep. Tonight, Bree and I are in the kitchen making some pho. We've never made this before, but it seems like it's gonna be.
We have.
We have?
Yes, with HelloFresh, same exact one.
I don't know anything, I guess. Anyways, it looks like it's gonna be delicious, so let's show you. So we're gonna be using this pho broth that we found at the store. We've got some baby bella mushrooms we're gonna throw in there. What do we got over here? We got some green onions. For the noodles, we'll be using these Thai Kitchen brown rice noodles. We're gonna make some chicken pot stickers. We love these things. Pot stickers are so good. Also, these chopsticks, we got them in Japan when we were there just a couple of years ago.
Mine are too. Get mine out.
Oh, here. Bree wants me to show you her chopsticks.
Mine are.
These are Bree's.
These are mine.
Featuring Bree's hand.
They're cute. They're bamboo and they're painted like a lilac color. Yeah, super cute.
If you ever get a chance to go to Japan, do it. Coolest place on earth.
We're eating out of plastic bowls because these are just too little and you can't get all the good in there. So we're serving it up in Tupperware tonight, baby.
Okay, our pho is done. I got a massive bowl because that's the only one we had left. But it looks delicious, it smells delicious. Pot stickers are done. All right, I'm gonna chow this baby down and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning for 10 miles. We're only about a month out from the marathon now, and so this week will be my first week of starting into the taper. So I still have like 45 miles to run this week, but I have 3 rest days, so I'm only running 4 days instead of 5. And I'm also gonna start incorporating more speed work in. So the last 8 weeks have been mostly building my aerobic base, doing long runs at easy efforts, not a ton of speed work, but now I'm gonna flip that and do fewer miles but do more speed work. So for today's run, I've got 2 miles easy and then 7 miles at my half marathon pace, which is going to be about a 6:15 to 6:30 pace, and then a 1 mile cool down. And in the last video, I talked about the spring energy gels. Well, I picked up some more of them. This is the awesome sauce flavor. It is apple cinnamon pie. It's got basmati rice, applesauce, apple juice, yams, maple syrup, lemon juice, vanilla, sea salt, and cinnamon. That's it. Real whole foods, and this one is 180 calories, so this will be my fuel for today's 10-mile run. All right, let's go hit it. I'm soaked. That was not a very dry 10 miles. I had 10 miles, 1 hour, 9 minutes, and a 6:54 minute per mile pace. Felt pretty good, but holy cow, my shirt probably weighs like 3 pounds, just loaded with water. But solid run. See you guys in a bit. All right, it is Thursday evening. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve, and I've got my long run for the week. It's a 22-mile run with 18 miles at marathon pace, so it's gonna be a good one. And you guys know the drill. I'm gonna show you my fuel for tomorrow's run. So here is everything I'm gonna be using tomorrow. I've got some Tailwind, Intraflight, G&M Sport, Spring Energy. So before the run, I'm gonna do a scoop of G&M Sport, a scoop of Intraflight, that's BCAAs, and 2 scoops of Tailwind, and one of these Spring Energy gels. This is the Power Rush Punchy Plum flavor. This one's 90 calories. And then during the run, every 5 miles or so, I'm gonna eat one of these Spring Energy gels. These are the Awesome Sauce ones, and these are 180 calories, so those are every 5 miles. And then at about the halfway point in the run, I'm gonna do another scoop of G&M Sport, another scoop of Intraflight, and another 2 scoops of Tailwind, which I will carry all of that in my handheld water bottle here. And we'll see you guys tomorrow morning for 22 miles. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. That's see you in 2.5 hours.
Many hours later.
Well, I just finished up my last run here in Greenville. It's a little bittersweet. Like I've said several times, we're gonna miss this place. But 22-mile run is done. This run was a really good test for how I'll perform with the marathon, I think. I did 4 miles easy at about an 8-minute pace, and then 18 miles at marathon pace. So between like 6:40 to 6:50 pace. And for this one, I had 22 miles, 2 hours, 34 minutes, and a 7:02 minute per mile pace. But that wraps up another great week of training for the Going More Marathon. We're officially 1 month out from the race, so we are slowly but surely getting there. As always, thank you guys for liking, commenting, subscribing. All your support is greatly appreciated. We'll see you guys next week. Go on more.